What is going on, Power YouTubers? Back at it again with another demo. Today we have a 200 gram cake called Poison, 20 shots. It is by Supreme Fireworks. I got this one for free at Big Daddy K's. I told him I was doing demo videos of the few cakes I picked up, and he gave this one to me. Pretty big cake for 200 gram. I almost can't get my hand around it, so let's see the performance, which is 20 shots. Bright white strobes, willow white strobes, brocade crown up, alternatively ending with crackle. Little literacy going on there. But so this is Poison by Supreme Fireworks. Once it gets dark, I will light this up. Poison.